Hey guys, got this beautiful ribeye. There's beautiful marbling on this. I've already tied it up with a little string to avoid any blowouts. Doesn't always happen. Sometimes it does. And we're prepared for that. I like to coat it with just a little oil. It helps our seasoning stick on there and kind of melt into the meat a little first. Salt, of course, ground black pepper on both sides. We're gonna sear this, give it a good crust in a pan. We're gonna finish it in the oven. Then I got a special sauce I'm gonna make for this. You gotta stick around to see what that is. I can see that heat starting to come off of my pan. I know that sucker's hot. We get our oil in there, and goes our steak. Make sure we got some good contact in the bottom of the pan. It's good to get a little weight on top of the pan. Make sure we're getting a good sear on there. We can get our shallots ready. Quick little sweat. I got some brandy. We'll let that reduce down, boil off a lot of that meat that's cooked on the bottom of the pan. Got it reduced down pretty good. Throw in some cream. I got some demi-glace. Just let that reduce down. This nice thick texture, it's looking pretty good. Got our green peppercorns. Got just a little bit of the brine there to give some bite. Just maybe a little salt. Remember, there's a lot of seasoning from the steak that comes off in the pan. So it already has some pepper, but we can add a little more salt, a little more regular cracked black pepper. Got Eye Au Poivre, the pepper sauce, classical French dish. Got our steak here. It's about a good 125. We'll let that sit for a little bit. Got a little dark on the edge here. As chefs, we don't burn stuff, we only over caramelize. So we're gonna get our sauce. We got some butter we're gonna finish this with. This medium rare, beautiful even color going through there. Oh. Damn, that's good. Steak perfect, sauce, amazing. Whew.